fidget trading. These are my fidgets. So, and I will be getting more on Monday, and I will be doing a video how I pack out these as well. So, let's start. Oh, love X6D Lane plays XX send a first trade request. I'll accept the trade request. Okay, what? So I'll add this.
Oh, so I would like to have it, but I don't know. I will give you this. And here's Santana.
No, thank you. I decline.
Okay. Daisy, if you have a Arby stress ball.
ABC, I have one. Except here.
Okay, you have one. Cool. So I will give you this.
No, I'm looking for a putty. But no, it's not the best trade, so I'll decline. Now we'll make another version of trading. So, trading the llama with no caca. Because we saw a TikTok where a person said like trading the llama with the caca. Because this is trading the llama with no caca. Going once, going twice.
Me. So
Going once.
Me. So I will give you this. Like I'll give you this and this ball squishy.
Yes.
And a normal squishy.
I'll do it.
Yay, thanks.
Trading this, going once.
Me. So I love it so much that I give you this.
Add a bit, please.
So here this.
No, add a bit.
Here the puppet.
That's not so good. Add a bit. It's very good, but I wanted to overpay a bit. Add. This is so legendary.
What? Okay, I give you the putty and this.
Fine. Good.
Thanks. Wait. Why it says it's common?
Bye.
She scammed it to me.
That was good. Okay, I'll go to another shop. To another person. Okay, here's a person. Trading party. Going
Me. I just got the slammer. It's really cool. Please.
Add.
This.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Trading this. Going
Oh my
once,
god. Really,
going twice.
thanks. Me.
Yeah, what's your
So
offer?
I would give you 2 of these Arby stress balls.
Add this, please.
And a tangle.
Yay, I got the tango. And by the way, this is a homemade tango.
Oh my god. I have a plan.
Yay!
I will pretend to be poor so everyone gives me things.
Hi.
Hi.
So, I'm trading this. Do you have an offer?
No, sorry, I'm really poor. My inventory, I just have this starter thing.
Oh, that's no problem. I'll give you this.
Oh my god. Thank you.
People give a lot of stuff for this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Go
Bye-bye.
somewhere else. Hello, I'm trading this if you're interested.
No thanks. So yeah, sure.
Yes, wait. Yeah, okay, I'll do it.
Thanks.
Here, look. Okay, so here, trading this, it's super legendary.
Is it broken or not?
No, look, it's not broken. It's not
Okay.
broken at all. It's not broken
Here,
at
I
all.
give you this and this. I will give you everything.
This is not so much, so please add.
I don't hear this.
Because it's very legendary, but I see you don't have a lot, so. No trading back.
Wait, it's popped. You scammed me. You scammed me, scammer. Ah, you scammed me. So mean.
Well, have to be a bit more careful. I'm cleaning up this, so I'm sorry if you cannot. You're not doing something yet, so. Wait. Okay.
I got
This is my new inventory. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.